Tamas means madness, means just lethargy and sinful activities. True? Mostly people are like that only. They live sleeping all the time, and if they get up, they do some sinful activities. Maybe 90% population is like that only. Some people are a little better, they work hard. They work hard, that's all. But they don't know why they're working hard. But they work hard to make little more coins. These are called Rasik. Still their life is meaningless. And there are some people who are Sattvic. Their life is pure. They also don't have any meaning in life. Their life is also meaningless. But at least they don't harm themselves. Just like food. Now when you eat very spicy food with a lot of chili and this, you are harming your stomach. You'll get acidity, you'll get ulcers. Agree? And Tamasic, he's eating liquor. He's also going to harm himself. Agree? Meat, liquor. He's also going to harm. Fish, meat, liquor. You're going to harm yourself. What do you say? People will not agree, but it's a fact. And the Rasic person is also harming himself. Sattvic person at least is not harming himself. What do you say? But he's still not the highest. When you eat prasadam, that is the highest. So you cannot figure out. Now, Sattvic, Rasic, Tamasic, maybe a doctor can also figure out. Okay, this kind of food will give you acidity. This kind of food will, kill you. Avoid this food. Isn't it? But they will advise Sattvic food. That people can figure out. But you cannot figure out what is Krishna consciousness. Without the help of a spiritual master, you cannot figure it out. Had you not read these books, had you not met the devotees, would have never come to know what is Krishna consciousness. You can never figure it out. Even if you know, because of culture, it's some sentiment. There is no faith in that. So you need Tadavidhi Pranipatena. You have to take shelter. And you cannot see. Because see, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas is within our perception. We can see. With the spirituality, what we can see? What is it? You cannot see. So how do you believe? You cannot. You have to hear.